Hi, welcome back to ePublishing Pro. In this video, we're going to talk about creating your content. So the first step to creating your content is to do adequate research. So one really great way to do this is to go to Kindle store or Kindle stores and check out the best sellers in fiction. Okay, so this is obviously if you're looking to write a fiction book, then you can go in and check out the best sellers in fiction. Click on any category under fiction. Okay. Then you can choose a category and go through the total. Then you can choose a category and go through the top 100 best sellers in that category. Okay. Then choose a book you like. And notice what kind of cover design are they using. Notice the text. Notice the images. Notice the author's name. And then also read the customer reviews. Customer reviews are always going to help you write a better book. So this is kind of the part of the process where we go check out other people's books. We look at their marketing. We see what customers are saying. Because if the customers are all complaining, that'll give you a good idea of what not to do. If the customers are all giving accolades, then obviously you'll want to follow in that author's stead. Once you've found a book or a few books that you like, go ahead and have a look inside. Okay, click look inside. Then just read the first few chapters. If you like the book, then buy it and read it. Okay, go through the whole book. So one idea is to rewrite the book. Okay, you can use the book as an idea for your own book. This doesn't need to be extremely long. And you can add or remove characters as necessary. Just remember to change all the names, add your own twist, and never copy word for word. Okay, so this is actually something that would be a really great idea to outsource. Okay, this would be a great thing to do with a ghostwriter. You can have a ghostwriter go through, change the names, change the places, mix it up, paraphrase. This is really going to be something that you can spend the time doing, or you could easily outsource. It's always cheaper to outsource with a ghostwriter when you already have some material. As far as the length of the book, really it just needs to be long enough to tell your story. Okay, just about 5,000 words is usually good enough. Okay, so this is kind of an example if you are wanting to write a fiction book. If you're wanting to write some business material, then you can do the same thing. Okay, use this example in the same way you would as a fiction writer. You know, go through the categories, find a category that's related to your business, go through the book, research it, research the customer reviews. If you like it, then just read through the whole book, have a ghostwriter rewrite it, or you can rewrite it, and just keep it simple. And don't copy word for word. Okay, so that's one option. In the next video, we'll talk about another option, which would actually be to buy the content. So we'll see you in the next video.